Beginner's tip to make money with Shiba Inu investment in just 10 days. How can I make money with cryptocurrency? Is one of the most frequently searched questions on Google. Making money with cryptocurrency is straightforward, yet trading isn't the only option. In this video, you'll learn about simple techniques to generate interest on your cryptocurrency holdings. So hang in your seat as we show you 3 ways to make money from Shiba Inu investments. If you're unfamiliar with Shiba Inu, it's an Ethereum-based meme coin with the Japanese dog breed called Shiba Inu as its logo. Although it resembles Dogecoin, it is not the same. Shiba Inu refers to itself as a Dogecoin killer. Shiba Inu is actually made up of several coins or tokens that work together to make the cryptocurrency environment run smoothly. They are: SHIB is an Ethereum-based coin or token with clever contract functionality, which makes it a Dogecoin killer. LEASH is a cryptocurrency that runs on the Ethereum network. This coin is the most limited of the Shiba Inu-related coinage, with only 107,646 units available. It compensates those who validate cryptocurrency transactions with staking incentives. If you're unfamiliar with staking in crypto investment, it refers to the practice of storing coins for an extended length of time while earning interest on them. The main advantage of staking is that you earn more cryptocurrency, and the interest rates can be quite high. Stay with us for more information on staking later in the video. BONE is the decentralized exchange's native administration token. It has a supply of 250 million units and is used to permit Shiba Inu handlers to vote on numerous propositions. Before we carry on with this video, kindly subscribe to this channel. Number 3. DeFi staking. You can also use your Shiba Inu tokens to generate income by staking them. There are a number of DeFi services currently available that allow you to stake your SHIB tokens for the purpose of leasing them to other SHIB token vendors. You will receive interest in the form of more SHIB tokens, which you can exchange for fiat currency, trade, or reinvest. Shiba Swap, Crypto.com, which offers up to 5% interest, and Binance through the Trust Wallet are just a few of the most prominent DeFi platforms that permit you to stake Shiba Inu tokens. Just about every platform offers a 4 to 5% annual interest rate. Staking is the way to go if you're looking for a higher return. But if you desire liquidity, where your coins can be quickly exchanged for cash or other cryptocurrencies, HODLing is the approach to use. Continue watching as we will discuss HODLing in further depth in this video. Number 2. Trading. The Shiba Inu coin is prized for its vigor. Traders are able to do many trades in a single day due to the unpredictability of price swings. It is no longer rare for the price of this coin to increase by a dual-figure fraction. This can be considered as the greater fool theory of investing, because during this market bubble, you can make money by buying coins and selling them for a profit later, and there will always be someone prepared to pay a higher price. Once you've mastered the technique, you'll be able to earn a sizable profit. Number 1. HODLing. The word HODLing is well known in the crypto world, and it connotes investment. HODL, on the other hand, has come to mean hold on for dear life among crypto fanatics. To elaborate, crypto hodlers, like buy and hold stock investors, take satisfaction in hanging on to their cryptocurrency by refusing to sell it, regardless of what occurs in the crypto economy. You can profit by purchasing and holding Shiba Inu tokens for a long time. When the value of Shiba Inu tokens rises, you profit. To invest in Shiba Inu for the long run, you must first trust in the token's viability and support that belief with evidence clearly indicating Shiba Inu coin values will continue to rise in the coming years. If you want to buy in Shiba Inu token in 2022, now is the perfect time to do so, because the SHIB value has been steadily climbing since the beginning of the year and is predicted to keep on until it reaches $1. People are also optimistic since Tesla CEO Elon Musk revealed the name of his Shiba Inu puppy on Twitter. If you're still doubtful, consider this example. On April 17, 2 brothers in Westchester, New York, awoke to discover that they had become billionaires overnight owing to an odd stake employing the Shiba Inu. I hope you had a good time watching this video. Before you head out, kindly share this video with your cryptocurrency enthusiasts. We wish you success in all of your cryptocurrency investments.